For the second time in just over a week, the Gillard Government has backflipped on its carbon tax. It was to shut down the nation's highest polluting power stations, but that's now been scrapped because of money.
It was a key sales pitch of the so-called clean energy future.
Closing down the worst sources of coal-fired power.
And now the belching monsters will fire on.
We always said we would aim for value for money. We didn't get a value for money proposal.
So talks to close some of the worst polluting power stations in Victoria's Latrobe Valley, South Australia and Queensland have collapsed. The government says the owners were demanding too much compensation.
There was no bottomless pit. There was an amount of money that I had in my mind in terms of what we were prepared to pay.
Following the dumping of the carbon floor price, it's the second carbon tax-related backflip in a week. It was a central part of the carbon tax deal struck with the Greens, and today the government copped it from both directions.
Labor can't be trusted on the environment. It's as simple as that.
Now, quite frankly, this was always bad policy. But
Finance Shadow Andrew Robb said it was part of Mr Abbott's direct action policy, accusing the government of stealing it. And the government's battle with the billionaires continues. Julia Gillard today hitting back at Gina Rinehart's suggestion that higher labour costs are forcing investment from Australia to Africa.
Africans want to work, and its workers are willing to work for less than $2 per day.
It's not the Australian way to toss people $2, to toss them a $2 gold coin and then ask them to work for a day.
Mark Riley, 7 News.